Okay, so describing our pattern for number one, I would say something along the lines of the difference between each consecutive numbers increases by one each time, something along those lines. Hopefully, you found the same pattern that I did. And then moving over here to number two, hopefully, you said something along the lines of each consecutive figure we are adding a square to the inside. So there was one square here, there was two squares here, three here, and four here. So hopefully you had some description along those lines. Moving on to number three, making a conjecture. So a conjecture is a hypothesis based off of inductive reasoning, observing some kind of pattern. This is the answer to an addition problem. So the sum of two negative numbers, I came up with two examples here so that I could observe a pattern. -1 and -3. We get -4, -30, and -50. We get -80. So a conjecture that I would make is the sum of two negative numbers equals another negative number. And that would be a good conjecture for number three. Number four, the product of three consecutive non-zero integers. Maybe you need to look this up if you forgot, but integer is a whole number, positive or negative. So that does not include decimals. It does not include fractions or irrational numbers. And if you are to test this a few times, you will find that if you multiply three consecutive non-zero integers, you always get another integer. So writing some conjecture along those lines, the product of three consecutive non-zero integers is another integer would be a good conjecture. Okay, great. Well, team, go ahead and give my next video a look over if you would like some more guidance for exercises 5 and 6. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.